Today I'm going to talk about the previews and unpreviews directing command. So I published this topic originally on March 2020 on the forums. The previews slash unpreviews feature, it's a directing command in which you can get a character to change out of their original look into something else, and then after a while you can change them back to how they were before. It only works in one episode where you can unpreview slash preview outfits and or features. In the next episode, it will automatically default back to what they originally had on before you use the previews command. So it's perfect for a variety of things, such as showing a childhood scene of a character. You don't need to make a character called Young MC or something. You can just use the MC and make them preview into those younger features. It also works with customized characters. So, for example, if you make your customized character preview certain features and then you make them unpreview those features later, they will go back into the original features. So they will go back to the features that the reader chose for them. Anyway, the possibilities are endless for using the previews command. Yeah, I'm not going to read over the perfect for blah 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 to possibilities are endless, friends, because it's pretty cringe, yeah. Yeah, 2020 me was pretty cringe. Okay, anyways, moving on. So basically, the command is you previews feature name and you unpreviews feature name. Well, obviously you would replace feature with an actual existing feature. And a name would also need to be replaced with something that actually exists. So if you type in you previews feature name into your script, you'll get an error because feature name doesn't exist. So feature name stands for body color name, where again name would have to be replaced with a body color that actually exists. Eyebrows name, eyebrows color name, hair name, and so forth. Yeah, so as I mentioned already, name stands for the name of the outfit slash feature that exists. So here's an example. Let's say the main character's eyes are violet and you want them to turn red for a scene. You could do something like character previews, eyes color, name, using the example in action. You previews eyes color red. The eyes of the character you are now red. Then you could do you unpreviews eyes color red, which means that their eye color will go back to violet, which is the original eye color that they had. The previews slash unpreviews directing command is also really good for vampire scenes. So here are more examples. So my character Gem has her eyebrows brown medium, and then I use a previews feature to make her change her eyebrows. So in this case, Gem previews eyebrows arc natural scar. She will now have the eyebrow shape throughout the episode. Then I can change her eyebrows back to what they originally were by using the unpreviews feature. So basically I can write Gem unpreviews eyebrows arc natural scar. She will now go back to her original eyebrows, which were round medium. Yeah, so the same thing you see for eyebrows color example is basically the same template, as well as hairstyle. Hairstyle also follow the same template, so we can see that, for example, the character Gem has a hairstyle long side shave, and then she previews short wavy ombre, and then later on I can make her change back to original hair long side shave by just typing in the command Gem unpreviews hair short wavy ombre. Hair color example also follows the same template. Eyes, yes, eyes also follow the same template. And sorry if I sound repetitive. Yeah, so as I mentioned already, very good for flashbacks. I did have an original post on it here, which is basically, yeah, very repetitive. I mean, I aim to try to simplify things as much as possible. Yeah, so these are basically the features that I used in the examples above. So the original features, the features with the previews command, as well as another screenshot of my original features. And these cards were made by my friend Flower Griefer. Anyway, thanks for checking this out. I hope you find this tip cool, and sorry for repeating some stuff, or actually a lot of stuff. I'm gonna also show you. Sorry, one second. I'm also gonna show you the episode story on this as well. So the episode code in action. So I'm just gonna go to the app right now. So there's a typo, but let's just say I will now change my features using the previews command. The code for this change is I'm going to change back into my original features now. The code for this change is and back to me. You can see a list of what all the features are when you go to characters. For the colors, you can just hover your mouse over them to get their names. Thanks for checking this out. Have a great day.